Hello, my dear friends. Many a time students ask me that, sir, which theories we have to do in the chapter of motivation? Or, sir, can you give us the list of all the theories which we have to cover in the chapter of motivation? Now, today, let's address this particular doubt. See, first of all, pick any book and you have to start with Maslow theory of motivation. First, when you do Maslow theory of motivation, you will get the basic idea that what motivation is all about, right? Only 5 basic needs were given by Maslow. Just cover them up. It's very easy, right? Now, once you cover Maslow theory of motivation, then you have to move toward Eldeffer theory of motivation. Now, you will see that if you cover Maslow, then Eldeffer is already done. There is nothing new to read in Eldeffer. So these two are very basic, Maslow and Eldeffer. Then you have to move toward David McClelland theory of needs. Very basic, only 3 needs are there in the David McClelland theory of motivation. Just cover it up. Okay. Then you have to step towards Frederick Herzberg theory of motivation. Frederick Herzberg theory is a kind of, I would say, complicated, but still it's easy if you read it multiple times. Okay. Now these 4 theories are must do. Okay. Then you also have to do one specific theory which goes by the name of Douglas McGregor theory X and theory Y. Now this theory is not mentioned in your syllabus, but please believe me, ये आपको करनी चाहिए. It's very, very important for your exam. Okay. Then in the end, you can also do Victor Vroom expectancy theory and Adam equity theory. Adam equity theory is hell easy. Victor Vroom theory can take some of your time. So basically you have to start with Maslow, Eldeffer, David McClelland, Frederick Herzberg. Then you have to come toward Douglas McGregor. And in the end, just cover 2 process-based theory, which goes by the name of Victor Vroom and Adam equity. That's it. If you do this set of theories, then your topic of theories of motivation is done, right? All the very best. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comment box. Bye-bye and have a great day ahead.